Is it possible to start a serious woodworking business from your garage? Yes, it is. You certainly can start and run a woodworking business from your garage, at home. In fact, for a lot of bootstrap entrepreneurs, this might be the best way to go. The advantages are huge. Most notably, it will save you a ton of cash. Cash that would otherwise be spent on rent. While it may not be a perfect location, it can work well, particularly if you follow these 5 steps. Number 1, get organized. Most garages are multi-purpose spaces that house a variety of things like garden tools, lawnmowers, and snowblowers. Ideally, you want to find another place for those items. One suggestion is to buy one of those mini storage sheds, available at Lowe's or Home Depot. The best way to get organized is to clear everything out from your garage, and begin with a clean slate. Number 2, insulate and paint. Insulation serves 2 purposes. Number 1, it will help you stay comfortable all year long, and, number 2, it will serve as a sound barrier, helping to contain the noise from various power saws and other tools. Your garage probably won't be soundproof, but insulating it can go a long way towards minimizing excessive noise that could result in complaints from neighbors. Paint the walls and ceiling a bright color, like white, or off-white. This brightens your work environment and beats the heck out of those drab, gray, cinder block walls. Number 3, arrange your floor space for efficiency. If there are non-woodworking items you just can't store anywhere else, add those back into the garage first. The more floor space you can save for your woodworking shop, the better. After all those unrelated items have been safely stowed, what's left is your shop's space. Try various layouts on paper, before moving equipment around. Number 4, build vertical storage. You're going to need storage space. But in most garages, floor space is somewhat limited. You should have at least 2 large walls you can utilize. Build shelves, racks, and bins that house your commonly used materials, fixtures, templates, and jigs. Number 5, be a respectful neighbor. Let's face it, woodworking equipment and power tools of all kinds can get a little noisy. Shops also produce a lot of sawdust and shavings. The more isolated you are, the less likely it is to be an issue. But the best advice I can give you today is to always remain a respectful and cooperative neighbor. Consider others by limiting shop time to daytime hours. And do your best to contain all noise. With good neighbors, you won't have any problems. Just be aware and respectful of others as best you can. And here's a bonus tip. Meet at your customer's place, to discuss their order. Avoid having customers come to your shop, and making it appear like a place of business. Follow these simple tips, and you will be able to launch a successful woodworking business from your garage. It's the way many woodworking businesses got their start. So there's no reason why you can't do it too. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. For more useful information on starting your own woodworking business and succeeding, be sure to click the link below.